YouTube. So yesterday you guys saw we did a oil change on the MGB. The oil was in great shape, but we had some leakage around the seal. The valve cover gasket is probably bad because the oil's been sitting for so long. So went ahead and ordered a new valve cover gasket. Went ahead and ordered new bushings and spacers. Since I'm missing the spacer here, I'm assuming that that's also preventing it from putting enough pressure down. And I did the same for the back. I got the Y splitter that comes from this hose and goes to the carburetor on both sides. So I got both those hoses. I also have the fuel line in between carbs coming. So we should be sitting pretty with parts here shortly in the next few days. I'm not sure how long it's going to take to come. Some's from Amazon, some's from Moss Motors. So it'll take a few days, but once it gets in, this should be good. And then, tomorrow I should be getting all my supplies for the POR. I'll take care of the gas tank. Probably not this weekend because my little sister's graduating college, so I'm going to that graduation. I'm also getting some new fuel filters. This one doesn't look like it's bad. Yeah, I'm getting some new fuel filters. I'm getting 6 of them, so I'm going to go ahead and swap that out. And then I also get a new belt. I'll go ahead and change that out since this one's been sitting for 10 years. What I've been working on while I'm kind of waiting for parts is I grabbed the handles and I put them on. And right now this is not attached to the car, so I can see how it's not moving. But if I push the button, it's free. Well, it's hard to do while I'm holding the phone. Let's see what I can do like here. It comes right off. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting these on here. That way I can at least close and open and shut the doors for real. And then I have a little, since you guys have seen my little 3-year-old, he likes to play and sit in this car and pretend he's racing. So this will actually prevent him from just randomly swinging the doors open. If I want him in here, I can just put him in here. That way he doesn't open the door into my Jack and knock it into the Mustang, and that way I'm not super upset. But yeah, we're gonna get to work. I'm putting the rest of the door in, and the problem I'm having right now is, so you got these metal plates that are inside the frame, basically, that you screw these into. I only have one. There's not one for the top up here, and on the other side I'm missing both of them. They slide in and out, so I've got to go through the parts boxes and see if I have them. Oh, looks like I have one. I see one right there. So we're good. I think I can at least hold them in place. It looks like I have the bottom one that has 2 screws for both of them. So we're sitting pretty good there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these on, and yeah, and I'll be able to actually shut my doors. But I just got random parts, and I'm just like, since I'm waiting, I figured I'd do something productive. So that's why I'm working on this. The next thing I gotta do is find the inside handle, which for some reason is not here. So I'm kind of thinking it's in pieces, because this is all the door stuff in this box. All right. So I got this plate, got the long screw. Unfortunately, I don't have the long plate to screw into up here, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that at the moment. I'm actually going to go get my other glove real quick. So this has got to go on here first, and then this goes. And the screw. Alright, the next one. I don't know what I'm going to do about the top, but we'll, I have the screw. I don't know where to put it, so I'll have to figure something out for that. Okay, that's way better now. Good. Let's make sure the door shuts. Look at that. Back up here. I'm holding you upside down, I think. So I think that the plate is sitting a little further back this way, so I'm going to loosen it up and bring it forward. Let's try that. Oh, there it goes. Okay, yeah. Yep, she is in there, and that is not going anywhere. Oh, I lied. Cool. But yeah. Hope I don't have to slam it every time. Works good. Alright, on to the other side. Alright, so we're gonna go head over to the other door. I thought I had the bolts for. Let's see something. Oh, they're there. Alright, my son's been in here playing with the shifter. That's good. Alright, so we're gonna prop you guys up right here so you can see enough. I guess it'd stay. Alright, so first thing I'm going to put up is this. Then the other one. In place. Alright, and then we got where the heck I put the spacer. Grab it real quick. Alright, so Alright, so I got my spacer. I'm going to put it behind here. I don't have this long one. I've just been feeding it through. Get it in there. And we'll feed these guys through. I understand that there's no backing for the long bolt. I just put it in there so I don't lose it. I have it on both sides. If I was driving every day, I wouldn't put it in there. I just want to keep it kind of where it goes. But I'm definitely registering this as an antique, so that way let's see. Alright, here we go, moment of truth. Uh-oh. That was rough. We're gonna try one thing first. So we're gonna try moving this and or I'm sorry, you can't see. Try moving this. We'll see if that helps the problem real quick. So stand by. Alright guys, so the door's shutting pretty well. It's hard to open, so I'm probably gonna spray some WD-40 in this bad boy. Just to hopefully loosen her tired self up. Alright, so right now I'm just kind of spraying down a little bit of WD-40. I'll wipe it up here with a rag. Yep. Just gonna wipe it on the metal. It's been sitting for a long time. Same for this mechanism back here. kind of coated it. And I know it's a little messy, but it will pay dividends, I think. Alright, let's see. Way better. I was getting some stick before and I was really having to fight the door. Yay, now I've got closing doors. I do like how this car's so short, I can just step right out of it. Alright. So, summary today, put both the handles on the outside, put the let mechanisms on so I can close the doors. So to find the inside mechanism for passenger door. Not a huge concern right now. I was just kind of trying to do something tonight productive before I went to sleep. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow I can get some extra work done on the tank, but it all depends. I've got guests coming, so we'll see. But I appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll keep you posted once I get my new part. Alright, YouTube, so I was pretty lucky today. I found the lock nut for the wheels. I've been looking for it for a while. Found it in the box of the door parts while I was putting the door together. So I'm still optimistic I might find the radiator cap. Either way, I have another one coming in the mail. I'm about to empty out this bin of bolts in a larger container so I can sort through it and just kind of see what's in there. But yep, so I was pretty happy that I didn't have to watch the bastardized ways of taking off wheels that I thought I was going to have to off of YouTube. I didn't feel like taking a hammer and bashing in one of my wrenches into the lock nut to take it off. So pretty happy about that. Now I'm just going to go through these parts and see if I find anything else useful. If I do, I'll give you guys an update. Alright, so I'm going through this box. There's lots of parts in here. I don't know what they are. I won't know until I get my Moss manual. I start piecing together different parts of the car, like this thing. I don't know what this is. If I was outside looking at the car, I could probably figure it out based on its kind of wear pattern. I think it might be something off the front bumper because there's two of them. Or it might perhaps be, actually, this might be for the trunk. Might be used as a, I connect to something else for opening the trunk. I'd have to go look. I don't know, there's two of these. I don't know what these guys are. It's definitely an interior piece. I just don't know what it connects to. And there's other various bolts that hopefully they'll come in use as I'm putting stuff back on. Yeah, there's a luggage tie down nuts. But yep, interesting stuff. Ready to get my new parts in here that I know I need to run the vehicle. It's kind of slowed me down a little bit. I was making good headway on that motor, and then I just need those extra pieces so we can get this thing started. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed. You guys have a good night.